puke. Ow! Ow! Beat that!
Gladly.
That long? Okay, let's see who can do it live. Ladies first. Who won?
Who won, Dad?
I don't know, that was pretty close. We're gonna have to hear another set.
Oh shit.
That one will be hard to beat.
What?
Good job.
Who won?
Aren't you proud, darling?
Oh yeah.
Another one. Oh shit. My armpit's getting itchy.
So? That one smelled like pop.
Hold on.